Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to talk about why is your furnace starting to shut down. At Gilbert's Hardware, we are finding a common problem with furnaces that are now overheating or shutting down or not getting heat to the far ends of my house from my furnace. The back bedroom is colder than it used to be. We found out why. We were buying high MERV, or a real powerful filter that gets all the particles out of the air. It is a great filter. The problem is it restricts the airflow. So some of my furnace guys are telling me not to sell high MERV or high powered air filters for the furnaces because they're causing problems. They're not letting the air flow through the furnace quick enough because the filter is so good. It's catching all the dust. Within 2 weeks or 3 weeks of it being installed, it has now slowed the airflow down, causing the furnace to overheat. The furnace is generating so much heat and it should be going through the furnace. So much air has to pass through that to take the heat off of the unit, and if the air is moving too slowly, the unit overheats. Your furnace can shut down. Another common problem is the airflow has been lowered because the filter is restricting airflow, and the airflow isn't making it to the back bedroom or the far upstairs bedroom. So it's about airflow. So if you have a person in your house that's asthmatic or has a problem with pollen or whatever, and you need to have the better air filters, that's good. But you may need to get your heating and cooling guy to get you a more powerful furnace or a more powerful blower that can push air through the more restrictive fine filter. So we can get all the particulates out, but if I'm going to get heat to Timbuktu in my house, I need to have a fan powerful enough to do it. Many of these homes, particularly this old dog here, doesn't have enough power to push air. So we came here because the furnace was overheating and shutting down. We found out that we were using too fine of filters. We went back to a regular MERV 7, MERV 8 filter. Good for most of us. If you're asthmatic, it's not, but good for most of us. Be wary of the very fine air filters or high MERV air filters. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.